In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emoji to Discord channel names. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can update your server in just a minute or two. First, open Discord on your desktop or in your browser and head to the server where you want to add the emoji. Make sure you have permission to manage channels on that server. If you don't, you won't see the options we're about to use. Next, select the channel you want to update. You can click the channel and then look for the small gear icon labeled Edit Channel, or right-click the channel name and choose Edit Channel from the menu. Both paths take you to the same settings panel. You'll land on the Overview tab by default. This is where the channel name field lives. Click inside the channel name box so your text cursor is active. You can place the emoji at the beginning for easy scanning or after the existing text if you prefer a subtler look. On Windows, press the Windows key plus semicolon to open the emoji picker. Windows key plus period also works on many systems. The emoji panel will pop up so you can browse by category or search by keyword. Click the emoji you want and it will be inserted right into the channel name field. You'll see it appear instantly so you can judge spacing and readability before committing. A couple of notes here for a clean result. Discord supports standard Unicode emoji in channel names, which means the built-in emoji you see on your device will work. Custom server emoji don't appear in channel names. Try to keep it to 1 or 2 emoji so the name stays easy to read. And choose icons that match the purpose of the channel, like a calendar for announcements or a game controller for a gaming lobby. When the name looks good, confirm the change. Discord usually shows a Save Changes prompt at the bottom of the window after you edit a field. Click that to apply your update. If you don't see the change on the channel list immediately, give it a second or switch channels and back. If you're not on Windows, you can still paste emoji directly into the field from any emoji source like an emoji website or your device's picker, and the result will be the same. And if you ever want to remove the emoji, just return to Edit Channel, delete the character from the name field, and save again. That's all it takes to add a little personality and clarity to your Discord channel names. Thanks for watching and enjoy customizing your server.